MNMD Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors and documented everything. And looking at my medicine stock, this is starting to pick up and I absolutely love it because we had like a bigger retracement and kind of consolidated for such a long time. And now it's starting to pick up, which is phenomenal. Myself, I was long way beforehand. Like I do have all the proof to back it up as well, which you're gonna see right here, right now. Here's the video. There you go. So this video was made 2 weeks ago, 20th of January. You know, tell me another one. Like 7:15 is where we're sitting at that time. 7:15, right? Now we are at freaking 9:25 and we've reached the top. So that's cool. Ultimately, I'm still looking to double down on this long side, but not just randomly buying. I want to see like little retracements, and then if my rules are met, maybe then get involved. But other than that, everything else is noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.